Hey everyone, let's build a vintage 4x4 pickup truck that is scaled for minifigures for today's LEGO Brick tutorial. And this build was inspired by the Stranger Things Upside Down set. Let's begin the chassis with a 4x6 plate. Let's set down a 2x3 plate in this area. Next, let's place a pair of 1x1 by 1x1 downwards angler plates. We're going to let these hang over the edges. And let's proceed on with 6 1x2 by 1x2 downwards angular plates. I'll place them on this side as well. And in this area here, we're going to flip this over and set down a 1x4 plate. Let's take 6 1x2 by 2/3 slopes. We're going to place these where they are facing downwards. These things are sure falling out of my hand. And let's finish these two areas with a set of 1x1 by 2/3 slopes. On the left hand side, let's set down a 2x6 plate and a 2x8 plate on the right hand side. Now you might want to hold on the bottom. This is still not quite sturdy. Let's flip the assembly over. We're going to set down a 2x3 plate on the left hand side, and on the right hand side a set of 2x4 plates where they are perpendicular to each other. Let's flip the chassis right side up and take another pair of 1x2 by 1x2 downwards angler plates. Place these right here, and we're going to face these off with two 1x2 by 2/3 slopes. In this area, a 1x2 jumper plate and a set of 1x1 by 2/3 slopes. This is going to be the front portion of the interior of the cab. Now on this side, take two more 1x2 downwards angler plates, set these right here, and a 1x2 plate in this area. And then we're going to wrap around all this with a pair of 1x2 by 2 corner plates. In this area right here, two 2x4 plates. Now let's proceed on with a 1x6 and 2x6 plates. And right here, a pair 1x2 by 2 corner plates. Just be sure to hold on to the bottom, make sure everything is locked in secure. And in these two areas, two more 1x2 by 2 corner plates. Let's turn our attention to the front end. I'm going to set down a small aerial right in here. This is going to be our shifter, and a 2x4 plate right in this area. And I want to place another 2x4 plate right on top where it overlaps, and it's right next to the shifter. And right here in the front, a set of 2x2 by 2/3 angular plates. These are going to be used to attach the front bumper. In these two areas, a set of 1x2 inverted 45-degree slopes. These are going to go around the wheels, and a set of 2x2 modified bricks with mud guard. These are the low profile ones. Set these to lock all that together. On these two studs, a 1x4 plate and a 1x4 flat tile. Now on the front of the angular plates, let's set down 4 1x1 headlight bricks. Now these are going to be used to offset our bumper. Just going to set those right on there. Use 4 in total. Cover those up. And after we are done with that, we're going to place a pair of 1x2 radiator grills. For the grill, start with a 1x4 plate. Let's set down a pair of 1x1 headlight bricks, followed by a pair of 1x1 bricks with one stud. Now take a 1x2 by 1x4 downwards angular plate. We're going to place these on the back side of the headlight bricks. Take a 1x2x2 corner plate. Let's place a transparent clear 1x1 flat tile in the top corner and a regular 1x1 flat tile right below. And on the left hand side, a 1x2 radiator grill. We'll flip the assembly over and take a downwards 1x1 by 1x1 angular plate, place it like so. Take another 1x2x2 corner plate. Let's place a transparent clear 1x1 flat tile in the corner and a regular 1x1 flat tile on the bottom. And on the right hand side, a 1x2 radiator grill. Let's flip this over and take another downwards 1x1 by 1x1 plate and set it right inside there as shown. We're going to attach these assemblies to the 1x1 bricks with one stud, like so. Let's set our grill assembly right in the 1x4 opening as shown. It just drops right down in place. For the dashboard assembly, start with a 1x4 plate. Let's take a 1x2 rocker bearing and plate assembly and place this on the left hand side and a 1x2 brick with 4 studs on the right hand side. Let's face these set of studs with 2 1x1 plates with bow. Shows they're lined up. And on the top right here, a 1x2 plate with slide. On the left hand side, a 1x2 jumper plate on the rocker bearing and a 2x2 steering console. Take a pair of upwards 1x2 by 2x2 angular plates. We're going to rotate these around and we're going to lock them together with a 1x4 plate. Now on this side right here, I'm going to place a pair of 1x2 radiator grills. Now let's attach this assembly to the dashboard on the 1x2 brick with the studs. Now let's set our dashboard assembly and these 4 studs closest to the shifter. Just going to set that down and press down firm. That's what the flat tile was for, is to fill in this offset as well as the plate behind the dashboard. And in this area, take a 2x4 plate. Let's place it down here. This is going to be the bottom of the seat, and set down 4 1x2 jumper plates. These are going to be used to anchor down our minifigures to the bottom of the seat. For the bottom of the bed, let's place a pair of 1x2 flat tiles right here and a modified 1x4 plate with 2 studs right there. Now we're going to proceed on with 2 more 1x2 flat tiles, another modified 1x4 plate with 2 studs, and a pair of 1x2 flat tiles. Now on the top of these studs, I want to set down 4 1x1 plates. Now the plates are going to be used to wrap around our wheel well, so I want to give it a nice contour on the top. Get these on there. Now in these 2 areas right here, let's set down a pair of 1x2 bricks and a set of 1x3 bricks. In this area right there, a 1x4 brick. Now let's drop down a pair of 1x2 inverted 45-degree slopes next to this opening, and across from those 2 more inverted 45-degree slopes. We're going to fill in these areas with a pair of 2x2 modified brick with mudguard. And since we're here, let's take a pair of 1x4 plates with bow to crown off the top portion of our wheel wells. Turning our attention to the rear, let's set down a 1x6 plate and a pair of 1x2 profile bricks. Let's place these as shown, and a set of 1x1 headlight bricks. And let's crown off those headlight bricks with 2 transparent red 1x1 flat tiles for rear brake lights and turn signals. Set those right on there. Let's finish up the body, starting with a pair of 1x8 plates. Let's place these on the top portion of the existing body on top of the bricks. And in this area, 1x4 plate followed by a pair of 1x8 plates on top of these bricks. If you notice, the vehicle is nice and strong. On the far left, set down a pair of transparent orange 1x1 plates, and proceed on with a pair of 1x6 plates. And in this area right here, 2 1x8 plates. This is going to be like our decorative trim around the vehicle. And in the rear, 2 1x2x2 corner plates and a 1x2 plate in this area right there. Take a 2x4 flat tile, let's flip it over and take a set of 1x2 bricks with 2 studs. I'm going to place the studs in the top portion of the tile, and we're going to set this down right here. This is going to be the back of our bench seat. Now in this area right here, a pair of 1x4 flat tiles. We're going to set down a 1x1 plate right here. This is going to be for a car radio antenna. And right here, a 1x1 flat tile. Take a pair of 1x2 modified plate with upright stick. Place these right here. These are going to use to attach our side mirror. And we're going to proceed on with 2 1x3 flat tiles. Now in this area right here, I'm going to put 2 1x1 plates on top of one another. I'm going to set these right by the seat. And let's proceed on with the bed, crowning this off with 3 1x6 flat tiles to smooth everything off. For the hood, we're going to place a pair of 2x4 flat tiles. That's why we use the angler plates, to give everything an offset look. The back portion of the cab, let's start with a 1x6 plate to lock all that together, followed by 2 transparent clear 1x2x1 wall elements. Let's surround those with a pair of 1x1 bricks and a 1x6 plate to lock all that together. Now let's build an area here to rest our cab onto. So let's take a pair of 1x2 plates with slide, set those there. Let's crown those off with a 1x4 flat tile, and let's give this some contour with a pair of 1x1 by 2/3 slopes. For the windshield, take a 2x6x2 windscreen, place that down like so. Really have to press that down firm, and a small aerial or shifter, place that right here for a car radio antenna. Get that straight. And take a 4x6 by 2/3 hood, set that right there. For side mirrors, take a pair of 1x1 plate with top clip, place those on like so, and we're just going to hinge these around to where the opening of the plate is facing this way. For the front and rear bumpers, start with a 1x6 plate. Let's set down a 1x2 flat tile in the center, followed by two 1x2 ingots. Let's take one of our bumper assemblies. We're going to place these right on the headlight bricks. Give that nice offset look. And for the rear, we're going to take another bumper assembly and place it on the downwards angular plates. Take a 2x2 modified plate with Technic holes. On one side, I'm going to stack a set of studs on top of one another and place them here. And we're going to take a Technic pin with cross axle, place it on that side. Let's make 4 of those. Let's flip the body over and take our axle assemblies, and we're going to place these like so to where we have the studs in this area. Same goes for the front. Place these right in the center. If I can get that on correctly. Let's take some wide, large tires and large rims, place it in like so. We're going to make 4 of these. We're going to stick these right on the cross axles. Of course, we're going to need to make 4 tires. The truck will be useless without 4 wheels. Now for the rear towing package, let's take a 2x2 modified ball hitch receiver and an inverted 2x2 plate with bow. I'm going to place this on like so, and I'm going to flip this over and set this down to where this is right underneath the license plate. Just press that down firm. This will give us towing capabilities. Now let's set Jay the Surfer inside. So all you have to do is just pull off the cab and make sure that the shifter's pushed up. And we'll set him on the jumper plates. Snaps in place. Everything goes well. He should fit nice inside the cab. Now he's ready to go on an adventure.